Hey, what's up, Backyard Dippers? John with Discount CircuPool here, back with yet another What's in the Box video, this time over the SmartFlo variable speed pool pump by the brand CircuPool. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay guys, so this is a view of everything included in the box laid out. As you can see, it's all assembled, ready to go for you. This pump comes available in 3 different sizes. Okay, we got the 1.5 horsepower, 2 horsepower, and 3 horsepower models. So finding one for your size pool is not going to be a problem. Now this pump is self-priming, and it's for in-ground pools as well as permanently installed above-ground pools. You got your wet end of the pump here, motor and controller on top. All right, this is where you'll program the pump schedule and adjust those speeds. Let's get a close-up of what that display looks like. You'll also notice on the side closest to me here is your AC power connections and grounding terminal. Now, since it's a true variable speed pump, it is 220 volts only. If you unscrew the lid here, you'll see it comes standard with a strainer basket to collect those leaves and debris. And folks, let me tell you something. One of the things I noticed first about this pump is how quiet it is, okay, down to 38 decibels. Trust me, on its low speed, you probably won't even know it's running, right, which is great. Nobody likes a noisy pump. It has a fan-cooled permanent magnet brushless motor that is built for longevity and certified for use in pools that use traditional or saltwater chlorinators, all right? This SmartFlo pump is Energy Star rated with pretty competitive specs. It has a wide range of RPM starting at 450 all the way up to 3450, so a lot of ability to minimize energy consumption. And this is really why the popularity of variable speed pumps have grown so much over the years, is simply because they're designed to save you money. Right? A lot of people don't realize traditional pump can use as much electricity as the air conditioner in your home. So this eliminates that burden while providing your pool with more flow and better filtration. Installation process is pretty standard, requiring you to plumb it in and hook it up to power. All right, sounds easy enough. One convenient thing is that its plumbing allows it to directly replace Whisper Flow and Pentair and Teleflow models, meaning a very easy transition can be had with no replumbing required. Now, when sizing your variable speed pump, take note that you'll typically utilize a higher total horsepower model than compared to single speed pump that you might be replacing on your pool. Anyways, guys, that wraps up the What's in the Box video for the SmartFlo variable speed pump made by the brand CircuPool. Definitely a great addition for anybody looking to save money and cut down those electrical expenses. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.